Welcome to our 30-day mindfulness challenge on Kali Cavalier. If you're seeking daily guidance towards mindfulness, consider subscribing to join our journey from the start. Let's begin. Today marks the beginning of a journey towards inner peace and awareness. Let's embark on this journey with a simple 5-minute morning meditation. Whether you're new to meditation or an experienced practitioner, this moment is for you. Find a comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Feel free to close your eyes or keep them softly focused in front of you. Let's start by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to relax with each breath. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of air flowing in and out of your nostrils. Observe the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air, and then exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Allow yourself to be present in this moment with each breath. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Acknowledge your thoughts, then gently bring your focus back to your breath. This practice is about being present, not perfect. Now shift your awareness to your body. Notice any areas of tightness or discomfort. Breathe into these areas and let relaxation set in with every exhale. Embrace the stillness. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more grounded. You're here in this peaceful moment, fully alive and aware. In these last few moments, think of something you're grateful for today. It can be as simple as this moment of peace. Gratitude brings joy and perspective to our lives. As we approach the end of our meditation, start to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body. Gently open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for joining day 1 of our mindfulness challenge. Remember, each day is a step towards inner peace. If you found this session valuable, please subscribe for daily mindfulness practices. Together, let's build a life of calmness and clarity. Your support means a lot to us. Stay mindful and see you tomorrow. Namaste.